welcome back to my channel. Last week we explained all you need to know about the famous Asian mushroom, the Enoki mushrooms. And today we're using the Enoki mushroom again combined with our all-American favorite, bacon. The crispy bacon wrapped Enoki mushroom rolls. If you had the dish before, you probably know the taste, and you also know that most of the time when you cook it at home, the bacon is not as crisp as you want it to be. And today I'm going to teach you how I personally make the bacon wrapped Enoki mushroom, that the mushroom is full of flavor, not burned, and the bacon is perfectly cooked and crispy. Also, if you're a lover of bacon, but you always feel guilty of having bacon, you have to watch today's video. Check it out. Friends, this is Erica right here. I'm a Taiwanese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling is my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipe. On top of that, all my video cover a little history background or the food knowledge of the dish. Also, a Chinese lesson at the end to teach you how to pronounce the dish we're making today in Chinese Mandarin. So if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. The dish we're making today is the crispy version of the bacon wrapped Enoki mushroom roll. I bet we all know bacon pretty well, but you probably never heard of the Enoki mushroom. If that's the case, pause real quick and check out our last week's video. I'll link it above here, that you'll learn all you need to know about this amazing, nutritious Asian mushroom, the Enoki mushroom. So now, here's the thing. I always have a mixture of love and hate feeling for bacon because I really like it tastes really good, but also I heard it's very unhealthy. Not just because bacon is a processed meat, but also it's filled with fat. You probably won't be surprised to learn that 68% of bacon's calories come from its fat, and more than half of that is saturated fat. Eating food that is high in saturated fat can increase your cholesterol level and increase your risk of getting heart disease or stroke. The American Heart Association recommends limiting saturated fat to less than 7% of your total calorie intake per day. That's less than 16 grams for someone that's eating 2,000 calories a day. So under those guidelines, it might be sensible to occasionally enjoy a small amount of bacon. Or switch to turkey bacon or the veggie bacon that is lower in fat and cholesterol. Damn, I just want to enjoy some bacon. Why is life so hard? It doesn't have to be. Since the problem about bacon is that it's not the most healthy food, but it's not like it's toxic. So just don't make bacon your daily indulgence, and when you do treat yourself, keep the serving size small. And include the antioxidant-rich fruit or vegetable whenever you can. And that leads to our dish today, the bacon wrapped Enoki mushroom roll. In case you're super lazy and didn't click the video I told you to click earlier, here's a little summary of the Enoki mushroom's health benefit for you. Enoki mushroom is rich in vitamins, minerals, low in cholesterol, high in dietary fiber, and full of antioxidants. In Asian medicine, Enoki mushroom have been used for centuries to treat the high blood pressure and high cholesterol level. And also, Enoki mushroom is currently being studied as a potential cure for cancer. So here you go. Enoki mushroom should literally be bacon's best friend. And not just that, the Chinese-style bacon wrapped Enoki mushroom dish that we're making today literally only requires 3 slices of bacon. So this fits the small serving size part as well. Without further ado, let's get into it. The ingredient we need today is very simple. We got an Enoki mushroom, bacon, and some toothpicks. I didn't have one of those short toothpicks, so I'm using the one that I use for camping barbecue, for s'more. I'm just gonna cut it shorter, but if you have the small toothpick, that's all you need. I'm going to demonstrate the most common way of making bacon wrapped Enoki mushroom, and then show you how I make it, which is better. First, we'll have to cut the bacon into half, so that we can make 6 rolls in total. And next, we're going to prep the Enokis. We already shared the technique last week on how to easily clean an Enoki mushroom, so we will not repeat it again here. After you clean up the mushroom, just simply peel it into small bunches. So here's the easiest way of making this dish. Roll it before you cook. Simply put the Enoki mushroom onto the bacon, wrap it up, and secure it with the toothpick. Put it in the pan and turn the heat to low, cover it, and pan fry for around 10 minutes. Flip occasionally and done. Seems pretty easy, right? But as you can see that if you pre-roll the bacon with toothpicks, you will not be able to cook the bacon evenly. The flavor is still really good, but most of the time you'll be burning your Enoki mushroom, but still not even sure if the bacon is even done inside. And now, let me show you a better way to do it. Get a cold pan and pop in the bacon. Turn the heat to medium-low and sear it for 5 minutes. The time really depends on your pan, your bacon's thickness, and also your heat source. but just keep your eye on it, and when you see it's almost done, turn it around and sear for another 2 minutes. Add in the enoki at the same time when you flip. I like to put the enoki on top of the bacon juice. The enoki mushroom only takes around 2 minutes to cook as well, so the timing is perfect. Keep your eyes on it and constantly check on the bacon. When you see the bacon is crisped up and the mushroom is cooked, turn off the heat and wrap them up with the toothpick and chopsticks. This is the part that you'll probably need some practice, and if you're not familiar with the chopsticks, of course you can also use a tongs. After you wrap it up, secure it with the toothpick and done! The bacon wrap enoki mushroom is ready. As you can see, the original way of making bacon wrap enoki mushroom roll is not cooked as even as the way I do it. This definitely will take some practice, but I succeed within 2 tries, so I believe you can do it too. The bacon is super crispy and the mushroom is very juicy as well. The combination of the 2 ingredients we use today are perfectly matched for each other. I like to decorate my dish with some orange and tomatoes, and they're also fruit that is rich in antioxidants. So plus on that. Now let's enjoy our dish and learn some Chinese. The word of the day today is the bacon wrap enoki mushroom roll. 培根金针菇卷. The first word with 2 characters is 培根. 培根. It's the second tone and the first tone. 培根, which means bacon. I believe this word is come from Western, and that's why it sounds really similar. Bacon, 培根. And the second word with 2 characters we learned last week, which is the enoki mushroom. 金针菇. 金针菇. It's all first tone. 金针菇. And the last word today with 1 character is 卷. 卷. It's a third tone. 卷. Which means rolls or wrapped. So now let's put it together and practice it again. 培根金针菇卷. Bacon wrap enoki mushroom rolls. Thank you for cooking with me today. Let me know if you like the recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make a video like this every Thursday, so remember to click that bell, then you'll never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!